Here is how to fix the Snapchat SS06 device ban error. So first, you need to make sure that you have the latest version of Snapchat application installed and that you're logged in. Open your Play Store or App Store according to your device. Then search for Snapchat application. And if you see an update button, which is highlighted in blue color instead of open, go ahead and select it to update it to its latest and newest version available. Now go ahead and open your system settings, scroll all the way down and go to apps. Now select the search icon in the top right and search for Snapchat application and select it. Scroll down, go to storage, then click on clear cache. You can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. Go to permissions and make sure that you've given all the necessary permissions to this app. Another thing you can do is you can also go ahead and uninstall the Snapchat application, then reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store. Then come back, go to General Management section. Here, go to Language and set it to English. Also go to Date and Time and make sure that the automatic date and time is selected. You can also manually select a different time zone. And then open Snapchat and try logging again. And last but not least, restart your device. This should definitely help you fix the problem. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.